Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. How are you doing today? What type of perfume are you wearing today? Are you happy with your choice? Are you not happy? Did you choose a perfume that perhaps was too strong or too light or something that perhaps you would like to change? And in general, what are you looking for, when choosing a perfume? So I have this new perfume, guys. I will do unboxing of this perfume, and the name of it is Aroosat Al Emarat, and it's Eau de Parfum, guys. It's Middle Eastern guys perfume, and it's by Ard Al Zaafaran. The expiry of this perfume, guys, would be in 2025, so Middle Eastern brand, and this is the last perfume, guys, that I have yet unopened, and I will not have any new perfume after opening this perfume. So that means like I might need to think about what other perfumes I should get in the future, but not very soon, perhaps only after some months, because I will be savoring my old perfumes that I have. So right now, guys, I will peel it off, this perfume. I don't know nothing about it, nothing. I only saw, guys, in the on Instagram somebody had it, and I purely, guys, bought it because of the way bottle looks like, because the bottle looks quite beautiful. So let's open it. Guys, this perfume. Guys, there is no perfumes from Middle Eastern brand Latafa or Ard Al Zaafaran that I have tried and I hate it, I like all of the perfumes. The only difference is that some of them I use more or some of them less. That's all. But I haven't discovered anything that would be disgusting yet, I believe this one will be also perfume that I will really like. So let's open this perfume. Let's open it, guys. Wait, guys. So, as I said before, guys, I bought it, guys, purely because of the bottle. And the bottle looks pretty luxurious, in my opinion. Don't you think so, guys? I show you one more time. So it's Aroosat Al Emarat. Aroosat Al Emarat. This is, guys, couldn't be better, isn't it? Like, really couldn't be better. Look at this guys. That type of feminine perfume that, guys, is just so nice to hold. There's something a bit, it's just probably the style, so that's the perfume, guys, that I have. Isn't it nice? And Ard Al Zaafaran. I love all of the Ard Al Zaafaran perfumes, guys. Apart from if I, see that they are on masculine side, that means automatically I will be using them very little, just because they are on manly side. Like, for example, Naje is by Latafa, but for an example, Dirham Gold, or Dirham Oud collection, they are on manly side, and I don't like to wear them too much, So that's the perfume, guys. That's the perfume. Before I'm going to spray it, I already want to spray it, guys. I want to read about it. So let's read about this perfume, let's see, what does it say, guys? So Aroosat Al Emarat, I saw already. So it says, guys, citrusy, citrus, vanilla, sweet, powdery, aromatic, fresh, spicy, rose, caramel, musky, woody. So on the top, guys, is citrus, and then vanilla, sweet, and then at the end goes musky, woody, rose. I believe this perfume, guys, I will like it quite well. And then it says it's an amber floral fragrance by Ard Al Zaafaran for man and for woman. top notes is bergamot, which orange as well, which already suggests that it will be fresh. Then there is rose, vetiver, iris, jasmine. I love vetiver, guys. And then there's patchouli. I love patchouli. And then there is musk, tonka bean. I like tonka bean in one of the Zara perfumes, you know, Fields at Nightfall. I really like that one. Then there is vanilla, caramel, and there is a little bit of agarwood, like oud. So at the end goes oud. And what else it says, guys? It's a radiant, captivating, sensual fragrance that surprise you and all surround you, guys. It says, and then unisex, and then there is oriental floral. It's spellbinding. Wow, guys, those words that they use. And then it starts with fruity and fresh bergamot and oranges. And then there is vetiver, jasmine, roses, patchouli at the heart, and then very warm, and then musk, tonka bean, and then Aroosat Al Emarat seduces with its floral and oriental scents. A note from the brand. Let's see, guys, is there any people that says anything about it? So there's only one person saying. So basically it says they bought Ard Zaafaran perfumes, and basically he's very happy, you know, that person very happy about it. They are very superior, it says. The perfume blooms throughout the day, but it's never overpowering. That's actually exactly what I would like from this perfume. It's like non-screechy blast. It can smell bergamot, orange, and then oud is not spicy. Basically, it's so good, it says. Definitely recommend this fragrance. And the day after, I can still smell it on my coat. So that's what this person says, guys. For some kind of reason, there was only one person's review that suggests, guys, that this perfume is not as perhaps popular as, let's say, Ragba, which I was wearing yesterday. I was so happy, guys. Or like Oud Mood, you know, not so popular for some kind of reason, but bottle is so nice, guys. I just have a feeling that through the notes, like it can be some similarity to this, this Jazab Gold, which is also kind of citrus there, but you never know, guys. So let's see, guys. Oh, this is, guys. Ooh, this is very feminine. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is, guys, so fruity, like so fruity and sweet. Fruity, sweet. Very feminine, guys. It was saying it's unisex, but guys, this is very feminine, you know. Not sure if man could wear this, guys. Not sure if man could wear that. So what do I feel? I feel, guys, it's very fruity, citrusy. Like first comes sweet, actually. Sweet, fruity, citrusy, feminine, very pleasant, guys. Orange. You know, orange, like let's say, you know, Dirham Vardi is kind of white florals and a little bit sweetness. So this one goes kind of towards orangey side, you know, orangey side. But that type of lightness, you know, there is. So let's say Dirham Vardi is on the white florals, you know. So this one goes towards orangey, sweet with some extra notes there, and maybe a little bit musky too, you know. It definitely goes towards sweeter side. There must be rose as well, guys. Let me see, guys. Let me see. You know what? It will be so nice, guys, this perfume for summer and spring. You know, when you need perfume for the daily casual life, like that wouldn't be overpowering. That's exactly probably what it is. So, for example, I really like Dirham Vardi to wear on day-to-day basis, you know. So this one will be perhaps another perfume that will be on the day-to-day basis, you know, versatile perfume. And I could wear it, guys, anytime I want to, every day. Like, let's say, which one I prefer? Maybe I do prefer a little bit Dirham Vardi, to be honest, but I will be hitting this as well, you know. I will be hitting, guys. This perfume, you know, there is another one there. I forgot what's the name I was choosing in between of those two. But then I saw like a note. I saw this review that this one is similar, guys, to that perfume. What's that perfume from Ard Al Zaafaran that is kind of in a pinkish, pink type of way? It's not Sultan, the name, or maybe it is Sultan. There is another one. Anyway, guys, this perfume is feminine, fresh, citrusy, sweet, kind of, you know, let's say the quality goes maybe a little bit towards the cheaper side, you know, but also very wearable, wearable. Still, guys, much better than those Britney Spears perfume or Ariana Grande perfumes, much better. More interesting, less annoying, you know, less annoying and a little bit, you know, like, let's say, more sophisticated at the same time. You know, I am, you know, what I'm happy about this lightness that is in this fragrance, you know, versatility factor, feminine, you know. I have a feeling that it's always kind of is linear, this perfume. Linear, you know, that means you probably will get whiffs of this perfume sometimes, but perhaps it might not develop to something different, you know. But as it's the first time I'm smelling it, I need some time to discover, guys. So far, I'm quite happy, guys, about this perfume, about this particular perfume, guys, that is perhaps not very popular, you know, not so well known yet, you know, not well known perfume, guys. You know, maybe there are better perfumes, you know, like Dirham Vardi is better. I do prefer Rag, but still, you know, but this perfume is on its own. It's a, you know, this perfume's characteristics, guys, would be that it's a light, citrusy, feminine perfume. You know, like when they say it's unisex, it's under question to me. It's under question, you know, that man can use it. So let's say if you are a man and watching this review, perhaps little bit stay away from this perfume, perhaps just because the bottle itself already, guys, suggests that it's kind of feminine perfume. And I can tell you guys, it seems like feminine perfume, but I need some time because maybe, you know, later on I can discover that it can be suitable for man too. But guys, it really leans towards feminine. Those floral notes, you know, there is the iris there and everything. So, guys, I will finish with this, you know, little update, and I'm very happy about this discovery. You know, very happy, guys, very happy. The price of this was cheap, you know, could be around €15 or £16, whatever. Citrusy, orangey perfume. You know, that's all, guys. I wish you to have a beautiful day. Do you have this perfume, guys? Are you thinking to buy it? What are you thinking about, you know, Ard Al Zaafaran perfume? My favorite Ard Al Zaafaran perfume, as I said, is Dirham Vardi, and there are some others as well that I really like. Let's talk about them next time, guys. I'll be back to you soon. Have a beautiful day, and see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.